Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to take partials on TradingView. Taking partials on TradingView is simple once you know the steps. First, disable instant order placement as partial closes only work when this feature is off. To do this, click the gear icon on the top toolbar, go to Trading, and uncheck instant order placement. This enables confirmation dialogues with options for partial closes. Next, use either the chart or the position panel to execute the partial close. On the chart, click the X at your entry line and a confirmation window will appear. Select Take Partial Close, enter the number of contracts or shares you wish to close, and then click Close. Keep in mind, not all brokers support partial closes. If the option doesn't appear, you'll only be able to fully close your position. So always double check your broker's capabilities before attempting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.